Hi guys, welcome back. This combined maths YouTube platform or advanced mathematics, more suitable for maths, physical science students, those following pure maths, applied maths or combined mathematics, AX level, A2 level, additional mathematics. These revision platform, revision workouts for your future exams, revision and theory, mostly revision questions, typical problems or future expectation for your pure maths paper, applied maths paper along this video series. So please subscribe this and you can follow regular base all interesting problem, especially the solving techniques. So you can solve any methods of way the questions, but here another way maybe could be this is different solving pattern but full marks type. So please subscribe this my dear students, and it all whatever no matter the medium Sinhala, English and Tamil එදුකුම් நீங்கள் අනුපලාම්. This is ඕන මාධ්‍යයෙන් බලන්න පුළුවන්. Mathematics කිසිම ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැත. Language no problem. Okay, so today my pure maths day. Alternatively I am doing pure maths, applied, pure, applied. Okay, once again one question. Today's first problem, I have shown couple of questions before. Asamanata, inequality. The problem here, for how many integer solutions? How many integer solutions for that inequality? And next part, a trigonometric question. Find the angle alpha. Okay, we complete that and come that. If you worked already, check my solution and tally. Maybe my so long methods than you or otherwise conversely. Okay, I think the recent exam paper in Sri Lankan pure maths paper, combined maths part 1 paper, double modulus available, double modulus. So here the similar fashion I have shown. So here no any graphs required. The answer is how many solutions, positive solution for this inequality, modulus. You know the way of removing the modulus part. අසමානතා remove කරන්නේ කොහොමද? සමනිලිය ඉල්ලාම చేయවද? There are so many methods. One, square both side to remove the modulus. Other one, put the plus or minus, remove the modulus. Otherwise, use the absolute value theory. Modulus ගැන අදහසක් දාන්න. The definition of the මට්ටු පරිමාණ modulus. Okay. So see here, before that I go show some two things of modulus. We call the beginning day of modulus lesson. If mod x is x, mod x is x. If x greater or equal 0. If you know absolutely inside the මාපාංකය තුලේ positive නම් කෙලින්ම ලියන්න පුළුවන්. Mod x equal x. මට්ටු නිරඩිය පොඩලා. Or otherwise, if x less than 0, right? Inside the modulus, whether you don't have the negative sign now. එක අපි ලියනවා mod x ලිය හැකිය minus and x. These are the two things in especially for modulus lesson. Using this, you can enter work any type of problems. Another one here I show, see for example, mod x less than 4. Mod x example, I'm always stick the කියන ඔක්කොම හදලා දාගන්න first time learning නම් ගොඩක් දේවල් කියවෙනවා මෙතන. Mod x less than 4. See, I can rearrange this inequality. First I remove this modulus sign by squaring both side. Square both side, square both side. Modulus square absolutely positive එක x square වෙනවා. අර මේක මෙහාට ගන්නන් ළමයි x less than 0. Now you see different of two squares, x minus 4, x plus 4 are less than 0. Okay, or less than equal නම් equal දාමු උල්ලදේ පෝටරකද. So if you worked in algebraic inequality in the pure maths grade 12 lessons, these two less than 0, the answer is between least and the highest, okay? Between least and the highest. Therefore, some trigonometric questions, they are modulus pattern or algebra. මෙහෙම ආවනම් මෙහෙම ලියන්න පුළුවන්. ඉප්පඩි වන්දාල ඉප්පඩි எழுதலாம். If this is given, we can write that. So why I am explained this, I try to follow this method here, right? Come back. See this, double modulus inside the mod 2x plus 3 modulus, negative 3x, completely modulus less than or equal to 2. I remove the big modulus first. So therefore 2x plus 3 inner modulus negative 3x are the answer. Follow that, between plus 2 and minus 2. Is it? Equal symbol, apply the equal. The question is find the x value. අපි x අගේ සොයමු නේද? x in පරිමාණත්වය කාණ්ග. Now another mod inside. So structured paper in Sri Lankan exams, 25 marks. Now every part you add this plus 3x, remove this minus 3, adding all 3x. Minus 2 plus 3x, harida. 2x plus 3 mod add kara 3x cancel 2 plus 3x, okay? Add all the parts by 2 plus 3x. That's all. Now you see there are two parts of inequality. This is greater than that or this is less than that. Now I break the parts and consider one by one to go the final solution, right? Okay, now see, you can write lasana lela tiyaganda sariya vadi validi vayingal. Consider make gamuda me patta minus 2 plus 3x less than or equal to 2x plus 3 modulus, okay? Or otherwise make a manit patta onnang ehemat puluwang ni. 2x plus 3 modulus, okay? That bigger, greater or equal 3x minus 2, both same, right? Now I use modulus definition to find the solution. What is modulus definition? Inside positive nang mehema kelima x dand. Inside negative nang you put extra minus or x antone. So therefore come to this one. 2x plus 3 greater or equal 0. If 2x plus 3 greater or equal 0, that means x greater or equal minus 3 over 2. 1.5 ehemana. Make a positive nang lamai. This is positive, right? That is 2x plus 3 makila liyanta puluwang greater or equal 3x minus 2. This is positive entirely, absolutely plus kila gannawa nang kelimma liwa. Now rearrange this here 5 greater or equal x. Harida 3 balanta harida. This is unedited video. Ehemmen adupadu enta puluwan hadagana yamu. So x less than or equal 5. What is this actually? What is this? X greater or equal negative decimal yananko. X greater or equal minus 1.5. Such a case, such a condition, x less than or equal 5. Therefore, can I connect this both and find one solution? Minus 1.5 greater less than 5. Ehmanang minus 1.5 less than or equal x less than or equal 5 on part of the answer, right? Tawat yanda tiyena balama disiwente pa. We'll go step by step. One solution. If x greater or equal 1.5 minus 1.5. Now come back to show here. If let's start here. If x less than minus 1.5, so equal, greater or equal, less than or equal, right? Less than comes equal down the back. Make a minus num. You put extra minus and write it 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3, okay? greater or equal 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2. Now solve කරලා x අගේ සොයමුද? Can I take that side? minus 2 අර පැත්තට ගන්නම්. minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 5x. So x less than or equal minus 1 or 5. What do you mean the decimal enter? Negative 0.2, negative 0.2, right? My condition x is less than minus 1.5. Answer come like this. So I'm sure full detailed pure maths of inequality. So try to understand. බලන්න මේක තමයි conditions answer ආවා මේ වගේ. එහෙමනම් what the final answer comparing these two? I can explain by number line lamai. Number line, see number line pattern. A condition negative 1.5, where that maybe here 0, here negative 1, here negative 2. On this is 1.5, right? 1.5 less 1 minus 1.5 less. Okay, but the answer comes less than or equal 0.2 somewhere here. The compare same size number line somewhere here. Negative 0.42, negative 0.42. The condition x less than negative 1.5, but the answer says x less than negative 0. Also equal. So what the answer for this comparing? What the answer? Common part, right? Inequality answers common podu gantoni. Therefore this belongs here also. So answer here x less than negative 1.5, right? X less than negative 1.5 is the answer for the other part. So I use only one side. Here two answers, two types of inequality solving. This and this, right? Now come back to other side. Long work, right? Here no graphical representation. Without graph you can solve like this. They ask in exam paper some problem using the graphs or otherwise. Okay, now I take the other side, right? Consider 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3 modulus less than or equal 2 plus 3x. ඔන්න ඉතින් නංග තීර්ථ පාපම් solve කරලා බලමුද? So like that, make a positive the negative condition. If x අර වගේන greater or equal minus 1.5, x greater or equal minus 1.5, that's absolutely positive. Then you write the same here, 2x plus 3, okay, less than or equal 2 plus 3x lamai. So solve kala. So x greater or equal negative 1.5 kiyanne, the solution also should be more than 1.5 values, right? Ranges. So rearrange here 1 මෙතන 1 අර පැත්තට ගත්තාම x x greater or equal 1. පොඩ්ඩක් බලමු. X greater or equal minus 1 point. හරිද බලමු. 3x 1x 3 minus 2 1, right? X greater or equal minus 1.5, x greater or equal minus 1.5. On that case answer x greater or equal 1. දෙකම same පැත්ත. So compare ගමුද අපි තනි ඉලක්කම මෙතන කොහොමද? See once again. Negative 1.5 මෙතන වගේ හිතමුකෝ. And x1 here. So simple now. Meet our condition more than that. But the answer are more than or equal to 1. So as I mentioned here, intersection part is the solution. So දෙකටම පොදු පොදු කෑල්ල ගන්න පොදුවාන පහුදියඩංගල් මේ හරිය නේද? Nice. Therefore x greater or equal 1. So you can study a full pure maths work of inequality here. පොඩ හිමින් මං උගන්වන්නේ හරියට ගලපා ගන්න බලන්න උපරිම ප්‍රයෝජනය ගන්න. Please subscribe this channel, then you will receive all type of problem solving to your doorstep. දිගටම ගෙදරටම එනවා මේවා. Subscribe කරාම නැත්නම් හොයාගෙන යන්න වෙනවා. Okay, right, next part, if මේක හරි. So other one, if x less than negative 1.5, right? If x less than negative 1.5 number lamuda. This is negative and write it 2x plus 3, okay? And less than or equal 2 plus 3x, right? So rearrange, find here, minus 3, minus 5, the minus 5 less than or equal my 5x neither. Okay. Therefore, simplify, divide by 5, x greater or equal minus 1, x greater or equal minus 1. Got the condition පැත්ත තමයි උත්තරෙන්ට ඕනේ. The answer should be what the condition you observe, consider here. X less than පැත්තට එන්න ඕනේ, but answer more than minus 1. So no chance, right? So no solution here. Ille. Solution ille නැහැ. That's all lamai. Now the okkoma connect karla final answers yamuda. So I take this is number 1, right? Number 1. This I say number 2. So later when you answering your exam paper, you can minimize these techniques. මේ වගේම මේක ගොඩක් දිග වැඩි නම් maybe 15 minutes විතර ගියා. Anyhow, you in the exam center, you won't explain hello. කෙලින්ම වැඩට බහිනවනේ අපි. So you can minimize the solution work, but my duty as a teacher, I want to show full detailed solution. Okay, I follow these three. See, I try to show some number line pattern. Always my method of harriyata galapa ganda. Number line balanda minus 1.5. Minus 1.5 methana 5. Okay. So first solution uttara equal also. You know, for primary classes, number line representation equal onna agaya me athara endone. Okay, hari neda. And number 2, see less than minus 1.5. Less than me pathata endone lamai, me pathata endone. Next one, greater or equal 1, somewhere here 1 metana damuko. Ara pathata endone lamai. Okay, here this side. And this side, therefore you yes 1, right, 1. So see all these three intersection part, common part you have to consider x less than minus 1.5, common part. So the whole problem x less than minus 1.5 arapetta here minus 1.5 to arakattiyanava. Okay, therefore see on this the part region. The answer 1 to 5, 1 to 5, 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 integer solutions, right? 5 integer solutions available. That's the problem super question, because recent many exam, provincial papers or leading schools, final or advanced mathematics, there are some double modulus problems. So keep in touch. Now you know the way of answering. At the beginning, I show nice work. You see the answer between minus and plus when you're squaring. Okay, come back to that. PM, I try to work maximum 25 minutes when you can target my videos. Sometimes it go beyond that also. Okay, see that trigonometric question. Nice properties of triangles. Trikona angalakshana. Mukkonin panbuhal. But our syllabus here. Use the sine rule, use the cos rule. Okay, that type of solving. So in this triangle, right, the name is AMC triangle. Okay, AMC triangle. Yes, AM equal to MC, right? AM equal to MC. Find the angle alpha, and furthermore some two angles available. This is 15 degrees here, 30. This is alpha, find alpha. check your solution. It's a well-balanced question, similar problem there in any past exams. My target all future expected paper leaked question, paper out කරා මම ඔන්න බලන් දිගටම follow කරා නම් වැඩේ තේරෙයි කොහොමද කියලා final exams. See the total 34, 15, 45 degrees නේද? එහෙනම් this is 135. So the balance part is 135 minus alpha maker, right? And make on what is that? 15 plus alpha, the simple geometry of all mathematics. Side produce exterior angle equal to interior summation. එතනින් බලමු. So can I take this is small letter a කියන්නම්කෝ මේකත් a නේද? මේක b කියලා දාමුකෝ. So what the technique to find alpha? Try to collect a pattern equation in terms of alpha. පොදු කැපිලා යන විදියට ගත්තම හොඳයි. Here 2a, big triangle, we have 2a, small triangle 2a. So apply the sine rule, right? Sine niyamaya bhavita karamuda lamai. Sine vidya pavingal, triangle in usual triangle ABC wage. What is sine rule? Apply the sine rule, right? Apply the sine rule balanda. Make a ganda the mama. So how that opposite here 2a angle that. So can I write sine 135 minus alpha, okay, over 2a, okay, sine over 2a equal, can I take this sine 15 degrees, sine 15 over b, right? Okay, then at hematiamu, right, first equation, right? Now try to get another part in terms of AB also alpha. Take the triangle ABM, in triangle ABM, in triangle ABM gamudalamai, in triangle ABM. How that? Sine, first time is the miss sine 135 on the Q1 is sine 135, sine 135, okay. So this triangle ABM sine 135 minus alpha, okay, opposite side A equal here sine 15 plus alpha over B, right? Say second. So you can answer this problem may various method, but method mang hadane man danna method, but I know that I am to try to show that pattern. You decide, you see how your solution. So there's a problem 15 degrees. Usually we use 30, 45, 60. Hemane against api tak tak gala dagana yanwa 15 degrees, 18 degrees, 36 degrees are famous in pure maths. Ek apita echchara katapadam natha engala theriyadu peramanam. Okay, we'll see. Now see, I mentioned A, try to remove the A wenda ba. B ekat iwat karala alpha hoyamu api. So can I divide lamai? First equation divide by the second equation, right? First divide by second. The quota what happened that sine 135, okay, sine 135 divide by sine 135 minus alpha, okay, into the 2 also available, right? Okay, when you divide 1 by 1, sine 135, sine 135 alpha, A cancel other side, sine 15 sine 15. See, b cancel, sine. Okay, this is the first step. Hereafter you can solve and find alpha. See how I am showing to eliminate the 15 degrees. Okay, sine 135 to, see, can I simplify sine a minus b, additional formula? Sine a minus b, sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Okay, sine a minus b, right? See other side, I'll raise this on Nanomaker. And simplify the other side. Sine 15 over sine a plus b form, right? Sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Okay, right. We can multiple 2 over there also. Now see this fraction part, I will divide numerator and denominator by sine 135. Can I divide up and down by, is it okay? Sine a cos b minus cos, sine a cos b minus cos a. See, it's wrong here. Cos 135 sine alpha. Harita balanda. Sine a cos b, cos, that's right. So I multiple up and down by sine 135. Divide by sine 135. Then 1 over here cos alpha. Okay. Minus cos divide by sine cot. Cot 135. Okay. You know the value of cos 135, 90 plus 45. Sine alpha, right? Okay. Here I multiple 2 there. So 2 into, there also multiple numerator, denominator by sine 15. Up and down, divide by sine 15. Divide by sine 15. Then it becomes 2 over sine cancel, sine 15 divide. Okay. So cos alpha, right? Cos alpha plus cot 15, right? Cot 15 into sine. There's a value for cot 15 degree. The surds වර්ගමූල වලින් එන උත්තරයක් තියෙනවා 15 නේද? Now can I cross multiple on මෙහි cos alpha plus cot 15 sine alpha equal cross multiple 2 sine alpha 2 into right, 2 into this, okay, that cos alpha, okay, this one 2 into what is sine alpha, 2 into cos alpha minus cot 135 into sine alpha. Please, if you complete the problem and watch my video, then you know sometime I'm too long or yours anyhow. So cos alpha minus cot 135 sine alpha, and this is here, right? 2 cos alpha here, cos alpha one side cos alpha. So balanta මේ පැත්ත අරගෙන ගන්නද that sine alpha answer here, sine alpha take out. හරිද බලමු cot 15 ළමයි, cot 15 plus the 2 cot 135. Okay, 2 cot 135. Okay, the other side 2 cos alpha minus cos alpha, right? Okay, use this. Now try to apply the cot 135 cot 90 plus 45 minus cot theta, make a minus 1, this minus 1, right? Cot 15 done. You can see there's a homework අපිට parallel දාන්න පුළුවන්. Exam center the cot 15 at most we missed that value. Therefore I try to use the first principle. See balanda cot 15 පොඩ්ඩක් නවත්තලා මේක බලමු. Cot 15 degrees cot 45 okay, cot 45 minus 30 නේද? actually මේකට පොඩ්ඩක් තවත් පහසු කරලා කියන්න 1 over tan 1 over tan 45 minus 30, right? So if you know the expansion of tan A minus B, tan beginners pure maths trigonometry, tan A minus B, tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A tan B. Okay, now 1 plus tan 45 1 tan 45 1 dam 1 over this one depa tan 45 1 minus tan 30 1 over root 3 lamai below 1 plus tan 45 1 1 over root 3. Okay, now we multiple up and down by root 3. It goes up. You can say root 3 plus 1 over root 3 minus 1. This is cot 15 degree value, right? Now we come to there and simplify. Okay, I show here. Final stage. My target to without straightly apply the 15 degree surge form. So sin alpha into cot 15 degrees root 3 plus 1 over root 3 minus 1, right? Plus 2, what is cot 135? That is 1 over tan 135. Tan 135 is tan 90 plus 45. Second quadrant. Second quadrant tan is minus. Tan is minus 1. Cot 45 1. So there's a minus 1, right? HRI arapetalamai cos alpha. So can I take the sin alpha that side? Root 3 plus 1 multiple minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root, this be multiple minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 and plus 2. Okay, balanda hariyata root 3 minus 1, that is cos divide by sin cot alpha. Okay, cot alpha. Check value, is it okay? Root 3 plus 1 over root 3 minus 1. Yeah, there's a 2 here, cot 135. Cot 135 minus 1, right? Multiple this 2 cos alpha minus 2 plus 2. Okay, so root 3 plus 1 over root 3 minus 1. Cot 15, right? So if you multiple minus 2 into root 3 plus 1, right? Therefore 3 minus root 3 over root 3 minus 1. Okay, simplify this, root 3 minus root 3, 3. That is cot alpha. That is cot alpha. Now lamai you can take root 3 පොඩ්ඩක් out ගන්න බලමු. මේකේ වර්ගමූල 3 out ගන්න බලමු. එතන මෙතන වර්ගමූල 3 minus 1. Wow, yes. So check your solution. Cot alpha square root 3, therefore alpha 30 degrees, tan alpha 1 over root 3, 1 over 30 when tan 30 1 over root 3. So cot 30 root 3. The super problem, all future expected question. So please subscribe, then you will reach all type of this kind of advanced future paper, leagued paper out karla pennanna me wage prashna hadaddi you have to work a lot of problem pure applied alternatively. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow with the interesting questions of applied maths.